gates open, they're up and racing. Bombs, draws for your lead, moving up is Karab, Tiger Afe in between the runners. Dugo, Anak, Papato racing in fourth, down in fifth, new chapter by the rail 6 because of you. Then running alongside seventh is Speedy Kim by the rail, running in eighth is Madera, second last now Red Hot Water, while Celestial is running in behind them as they race to the last 450. Tiger Afe now the leader. Dugo, Anak, Papatoy saw the outside. Iskarab running in between runners by the rail, fighting back once again. Bombs, new chapter with the last 200 meters more to run. Tiger Ape, Dugo, Anak, Papato moving up on the outside. Tiger Ape, Dugo, Anak, Papato, and leading the finish line, it's going to be Dugo, Anak, Papato, Tiger Ape, Madera, Red Hot Water, new chapter. Then comes Iskarab, Ispidi Kim because of you, Bombs, and Celestial.